Hello, my name is Danilo. Welcome to my channel. Today you will learn how to do Tandoori Chicken, a typical dish for the gastronomy in India. If you want to learn how to do this dish, just stay in this video. So, let's cook it.
Ingredients: cumin powder, black pepper powder, paprika powder, cayenne powder, ginger powder, garlic powder, and curcuma powder. Chicken, onion, oregano leaves, yogurt, olive oil, meat sauce, salt, and lemon. First of all, we start mixing yogurt, olive oil, and salt. Then we toast pepper, curcuma, cumin, garlic, black pepper, ginger, and cayenne, all the powders. When it's already toasted, we add this to the yogurt and mix. We mix yogurt and chicken, keeping the skin. Then we reserve at least 15 minutes. We bake in the oven at 220 degrees centigrade during 30 minutes. We cut onions in juliennes and we fry in a pan with some olive oil. We add oregano leaves, lemon juice, and meat sauce. And finally, we serve the chicken with onion in the top and decorate with oregano leaves. It's ready to eat.
Thanks for joining this travel to India, and this is the result of our hard work. If you like this, I invite you to follow me, click the like button, activate the notification bell for seeing my future videos. Bye!